Hey guys, welcome back to Swaggy's Kitchen. My name is Priscilla and I'm here to show you some easy, fun, and tasty recipes. Today we're going to be making, ready? Can I get a drum roll please? Carne Asada fries. Carne Asada fries are actually real fun and easy to make. I'm going to show you exactly how easy they are because a lot of people may think that they're actually really difficult to make, but that's not the case here. Real fun, super delicious meal for you and your family and also your kids. Kids love it. So let's get into it. All right, so what you're going to need for your Carne Asada fries is you're going to need a couple limes, some red onion, tomatoes, serranos, parsley, and cilantro. Also, I have here black pepper, salt, and you're going to need olive oil and some carne asada. Flat meat preferably. Alright, so these are the cheese ingredients to your asada fries. Mild cheddar, cheddar cheese, heavy cream, butter. Alright guys, so we're outside now about to get the carne asada going on the grill. As you can see, this is the grill. I'm warming it up so that it gets really hot so that way when I put the meat on there, it cooks just fine. And it's way too hot out here, so I'm cooking too, but I'm doing it just for you. Look at this carne asada ready to get cooked. Okay, here we go. Put those babies on the grill. Hear that sizzle? This is Worcester sauce. This is optional, but it gives it amazing flavor. I usually put it on before I start grilling while I'm marinating it, but I didn't think I had any, but I found some, so let's just add it. And here it is, carne asada fries. Let me know how yours came out. Drop a comment down below or even send me a picture on Instagram or Facebook at Swaggy's Kitchen. And I love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see any more upcoming easy recipes. And do not forget to hit that notification button so that you are aware when my videos drop. And I'll see you guys next time.